Let's make a low-carb spicy chicken quesadilla. So to start off, I have a Mission tortilla here. It's a low-carb one, and I have a 3-pepper cheese here. It's Colby with jalapenos, habaneros, and chipotle peppers. It's super spicy. Then I'm going to be adding in some of the rotisserie chicken that I had last night. Just going to add that all on there. Then I'm going to be adding some of the salsa. And some carne asada seasoning. Just wait for that cheese to get nice and melty. So I like mine with some sour cream and some Cholula.